Hey guys, so I'm cleaning out my refrigerator and this is really, really gross. Like, you don't even want to know. So I'm going to show you anyway. Okay, so this is a peach. I think. That's just gross and terrible and oh. Makes me want to throw up. And all this food in here, like I cleaned it out and it's even just gross looking at it. Like without the food. And if you push this away, it's really gross. And this should be illegal. And this stuff. But I found Sprite. I love Sprite. It makes me so happy. So I love Sprite. So I found this. I'm like, yes, I don't really know how long it's been there, but I'm gonna drink it. Yeah. I also have a plum over here that I found. I'm also gonna eat this because it looks delicious. This is like everything that was in my fridge. That's where all the rejected food went that shall no longer be alive. This is a huge zucchini that my mom grew. So look at this. Yeah. So I'm gonna get back to cleaning and wish me luck. Okay, I want you guys to see how gross this is. Open. I'm done. It looks beautiful.